In this part, we are going to see how to ask for and activate a license once we have installed Aura Quantic. For that, let's go to the application. Although this one has the license already, I'm gonna show you where do you have to go and what do we need to ask for a license. So we need to go to Structure, and in Administration, go to License. And we can see, first of all, that this is the license we have. If we didn't have any data here, it will mean that we don't have any license, but we do have one. So we can see here some data, like the activation key, the installation URL from employee users. In present assignment, we can see how many employee and external users are. So here we have accounts 19 and the process tasks. And we also have the license activation, where we can activate the license. Here we have the steps to follow. We will need to send the activation key and the URL to Aura Quantic to ask for a license. So we'll need all this data to ask for a license. Then we will receive a file. And once we receive it, we just have to open it here, okay, and click on Activate. So if we go to the portal now, to License Request, we can see a few options here. We have New, Renew, and Regenerate. So let's imagine we need a new license. So we will click on here and then Next. And then we will need to add all the information. So model, we need Neon Aura Quantic. And now we have several options here. So we have activation key. So we go back, we can see that is here, the activation key. So we just need to add it here. And then we need as well the URL for employees and external users. That is here. And the external. As you can see, it's really simple. And as I have said before, then we will just choose all these and then send request. I'm not gonna send it because I already have one, but you will just have to click on send request. Then, as I said before, okay, you will receive an Aura Portal config leak file. So you will just need to go here, find it, open it, and then just click on activate. And then your license will be ready to use. Now we have a license, we can start working with the application.